We just took like a 3.5 hour train and it was only 50 lira each, less than $3. Crazy. And now we're in Pamukkale, which is, what do you call them? Calcium pools. All we really knew about Pamukkale are those pools, those beautiful white pools, but there's a ton of history here too. The more you read about Turkey, the more you learn about Turkey. There's just so much endless history. Yulia, the badass, hopped over a fence and definitely went where she wasn't supposed to go, but worthwhile, we got this. Though the guards then did find us and make us leave, so still worth it. A guy at the entrance asked if we needed a guide. We said no, and then he asked if we hate history.
We are allowed to just walk around here?
I forgot what I was gonna say. Damn it. Calcium, nope. What am I trying to say? These pools are made of limestone, shaped by calcite-rich springs over, I assume, a lot of time. We're coming to Saklıkent National Park. On the way, our bus did break down, but you know, we'll figure it out. And now, we're with Riley.
Hi!
My feet are numb. This is like glacial water. Today's itinerary, we're going to 12 different islands. Let's go. I gotta jump back and then kick my knees up.
Nailed it!
I tried!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the sunglasses are on.
Stepping off from 12 islands!
Unreal. Incredible. Best day ever.
Yulia, what'd you think of 12 islands?
It was 17. It was 17 islands, but we loved it.
This play is the hardest play for make poetry, by the way, because this is not ceramic or porcelain material. But it's reasonable, because if you want to make poetry, you have to work with it. That's why the man is painting.
This plate is just so much.
So we've been hanging out in the coast. We're headed to ancient Lycia territory. 14th to 15th century BC. We're headed to the town of Olympos today, but there are no ATMs or anything. We forgot to hit one on the way, so
We could just keep on drinking tea.
for 2 days.
We can ration our chips. That's all we'll do. Also, this is where all the tourists come stay in treehouses.
We're in Antalya, the capital of the Turkish Mediterranean, but I don't know anything else about it. Yulia's in charge here.
Damn, now you're making me look terrible. I did not research. We're going to the beach. The city itself is huge. It's in those top 3 big cities in Turkey. Lots to see.
What you got there?
It's melon with ice cream in it.
We don't know if this is the right tram, but it looked fun, so we got on it.
It was too cute not to get on it. Who knows if we are going the right way, which we might not be.
month 2 of travel. I've already lost my wallet, I smashed my phone, I hurt my foot earlier. Yulia's just doing well.
I managed to find a haircut that's cheaper than yours.
Seen incredible things, made so many friends. It's been an amazing time, but our time here is over.
One last sure effort. On to Kyrgyzstan?
Kyrgyzstan, here we come.